Hey, what's up? Phil Ebener here with Video School, and today we have a cool brush pack that we're launching for our Photoshop course. It's the graphite and pencil pack. So we've got 10 brushes that have a variety of different looks and styles that are sort of like a pencil or graphite style. Perfect if you're creating art with a stylus or a tablet. I'm using a mouse, so it's not coming out as awesome as I think it could. But this is just another free brush pack that we're giving to all of our Photoshop students. So if you're in our Photoshop course, head over to the brushes section. We've added this pack for you, and you can download it there. If you are not a student of ours yet, well, you can join the Photoshop course. You can find it from videoschool.com, or if you want it completely free, we're giving it out when we launch this video. We always give it out for the first 1,000 students in the first few days. So if you're watching this video and you're not in the course, then, well, congrats, you get it for free. The link will be in the description, and we just do this as sort of a thank you for supporting us at Video School. And because of so much support, we're able to spend time, energy, and money creating these packs. We actually hired an amazing artist, Saline, who has actually tagged in the description of this video, to create this pack of brushes. So shout out to her. And as always, if you are creating artwork with these pencils or any of our brush packs, then tag us in your artwork on Instagram or wherever, and we would love to share it with our audience as well. So thank you so much. And as always, if you haven't left a review for the course, please do so wherever you're taking it. We love those ratings and reviews, good or bad, doesn't matter. Just lets us know what you like about the course and how we can make them better. Much love. See you in the next one, and have a beautiful day.